Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful paper flowers bouquet using SVG files. SVG is abbreviation for Scalable Vector Graphic. Ignore this long term. So it's a type, or it's a unique type of images, and I will say why it's unique in a bit. I'm using Tonic Studios Whimsical Blooms SVG files. Once you purchase it, you're gonna download it, and when you open the file, you will see instruction PDF, and 3 files contain your digital images. To cut these files, you need to use any electronic machine. Here I'm using Scan & Cut 350M. So I open Brother Canvas Workspace software, or can use the online tool one. So click on SVG icon to access and open SVG file on your computer. Then locate the SVG files on your computer. Adjust the size of the image to your liking, and bear in mind that each box of the grid is 1 inch square in your mat. I will repeat the process again, but this time I'm using the software instead of the online workspace. To export your file, you will go top menu, click on file. It will open a drop menu, so we'll go down, click export transfer FCM files. Then you will see these 2 options, and let me explain. So the first one called export FCM files, meaning that you're going to use USB drive or a Scan & Cut that connected directly to your computer using USB cable. The second one, transfer FCM file via internet, but here you have to buy activation card online. I don't have it, that's why I used the first option. Now go to your machine, turn it on, load your mat with your card stock, choose pattern option, and because I use USB drive, I will going to choose save data button, then I will click to USB symbol. So now you're going to see all your saved data. There are so many options in a Scan & Cut. For example, you can delete an image, you can adjust the size, you can multiply, the flowers, you can add border, you can even rearrange the flowers again. But please bear in mind, where did you put your cardstock? Now I'm going to adjust everything and click cut. After cutting all my flowers, I'm going to distress the edges for a deeper look. Now the fun part, which is assembly. Some images came with perforated lines, and you will see them in your screen. However, I deleted them because my mat is really old, so when I tried them, the paper moved around, because of the low tack in my mat. So instead, I'm going just to add a crease line using my scoring board. Now it's time to create the stem. So once all the creases are folded, you're going to glue 2 stems in the middle. I used the glue gun. I know it's gonna look bulky, but for me it's really fast. And also I used a glitter glue gun, which looks really nice. When you're done, gluing everything, you're going to fasten the largest flower shape to the top of the stem by placing tabs through. Then you're going to layer the other flowers and glue them to the base. Use your imagination to assemble your flowers. I didn't follow the entire instruction PDFs that comes with the files. As you see here, I created a flat palm tree using the leaves, to be a bookmark. The final touch, I sprayed all the flowers using adhesive spray. Then I used Tonic glitter. I love this glitter so much. I'm going to link it in the description box. And see the flowers. See all this glittery and shiny flowers. I am in love. And ta-da, our bouquet is ready. Here is a cool tip. You can create a color code flowers to your color pencil. Looks very cool, right? I hope you like the video as much as I do. Please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.